Have you ever felt your blood start to boil? When someone disrespects you, you are ready to snap to defend your pride. But what if strength, real strength, is staying calm when everything in you wants to react? In Jamaica, we often say we don't take talk, meaning we don't tolerate disrespect. But how far has that mindset really taken us? How many arguments, fights, and even lives have been lost because of pride? I remember one day I was on the road and this man nearly ran into me with his car. I stepped out, ready to let him have it, but something said, "Breathe." Instead of shouting, I just said, "Boss, are you good? Is everything all right?" And just like that, he softened, he apologized, we both went our way. No drama, no stress, just peace. Proverbs 15:1 says, "A soft answer turns away wrath." That's not weakness, that's wisdom. Anybody can raise their voice, but it takes maturity to lower it, especially in a world that tells you real men never back down. But young Jamaican men, sometimes the one who walks away is the real warrior. A real warrior knows when to walk away, even if they can totally erase you from existence. As a people, we fiery, passionate. But if we ever learn to control that fire, to answer with calm instead of chaos, Jamaican men, young and old, we'd be unstoppable. So the next time someone tries to get under your skin, don't let them pull you down. Stay calm, stay in control. Give a soft answer and watch the fire die out. If this message speaks to you, share it. Someone out there needs to hear this too.